In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana to GitHub. We'll walk through the process slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end of this video, your Asana workspace will be connected to GitHub so you can link issues and pull requests directly to your tasks. First, open Asana and make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace where you want the integration to live. Once you're on your Asana homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu with options related to your account. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will open a new window or panel that controls your personal settings inside Asana. Give it a moment to load if it takes a second. Inside the settings window, you'll see several tabs across the top. Look for the tab called Apps. Apps. This is where Asana keeps all the integrations and app connections. Click on Apps to switch to that view. On the Apps tab, you'll see a list of any apps you've already connected, along with an option to browse more. Look for the button or link that says See All Apps, and click on that. This will take you to Asana's full app directory, where you can find the official GitHub integration. At the top of the app directory page, you should see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type GitHub. Be sure you spell it correctly as one word. After a moment, the results should show the GitHub integration. When you see GitHub appear in the results list, click on it to open the integration's detail page. Here, Asana gives you an overview of what the integration does and what permissions it needs. Take a second to skim this information so you understand how your data will be shared between Asana and GitHub. On this page, you'll find a button to connect or install GitHub. Click that, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to sign into your GitHub account, authorize Asana to access specific repositories, and confirm any permissions. Just read each screen carefully and accept the prompts that match your needs. Once you finish those steps, your Asana workspace will be connected to GitHub, and you'll be ready to start linking your development work directly to your project tasks.